starting something of their own without the any stable salary. आज शायद कुछ clients मिल जाए, अगले महीने ना मिले. How was that transition like, and what gave you the courage to do that?
I was already getting more salary
Yeah.
in freelancing than my salary. इतने सारे लोग आए थे मुझे मनाने के लिए कि अच्छा आपका मैनेजर चेंज कर देते हैं, ये हो जाता है. मैंने बोला नहीं, मेरा 9 to 5 से ही मन उठ गया है. आप मैनेजर चेंज कर दो, कंपनी चेंज कर दो, हाइक दे दो, nothing will stop me now.
For people who are just building their startups, उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि यार is it working or not, how to make it work.
See, startup is so unpredictable
Yeah.
that even if it is working for you today, maybe you're earning 1 lakh a month, the next year you may not earn anything.
आपका iLearnings, I think you started it by registering it on Startup India, I believe.
Yes.
So, what does Startup India do? Basically, if you could take us through the process on how to get registered, or what were your, steps on which you did it, and uska fayda kya hai? Do you actually get like some credibility or some tax benefits, or is it just a stamp on a paper?
No, it's more than the stamp on the paper.
Okay.
So first of all, you have to have your startup registered as private limited if you want to get registered into Startup India.
Okay.
The first benefit of getting registered into Startup India is that you can get government fundings
Okay.
if your startup qualifies for the criteria which government has. So my main reason was to get registered for the startup funding, but yeah, and apart from that, you also get credibility in the market that your company has a Startup India
Yeah.
registration from government. So a
Correct.
government accreditation matters a lot.
Absolutely.
So these two credibilities plays a very important role.
And every employee faces this dilemma, corporate mazdoor, as we said, leaving their corporate life, the stable life, जहाँ पे उनको मैनेजर की गालियाँ खानी पड़ती है, मैनेजर के critical feedbacks, and starting something of their own without the any stable salary. आज शायद कुछ clients मिल जाए, अगले महीने ना मिले. So how was that transition like, and what gave you the courage to do that?
Right. Freelancing,
Okay.
very first thing, because I was already getting more salary
Yeah.
in freelancing than my salary, actual salary. So that gave me strength, and I had reached that saturation level. Manager की गाली खा खा के कि बस अब नहीं हो पाएगा. One fine day I woke up, my manager told me पूरा ये क्यों नहीं हुआ है, वो क्यों नहीं हुआ है. Of course in some disrespectful ways. I decided कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा. I told him I'm resigning. He was like okay, and then इतने सारे लोग आए थे मुझे मनाने के लिए कि अच्छा आपका मैनेजर चेंज कर देते हैं, ये हो जाता है, वो मैंने बोला नहीं, मेरा 9 to 5 से ही मन उठ गया है. आप मैनेजर चेंज कर दो, कंपनी चेंज कर दो, हाइक दे दो, nothing will stop me now. So then I decided कि I will leave now. So see, the only thing which will save you is the financial freedom.
Okay.
Because if you are not financially independent while you leave your job and you're starting your journey, you will only focus on earning money. And
Yeah.
in startup, money will never come in your early days. You will have to
Absolutely.
invest, in fact. So that
Correct.
time you will get burnout and you will quit. So make sure that you get financial freedom for yourself first by इतना काम कर लो, 24 घंटे काम कर लो, पर अपने लिए इतना अच्छा बैंक बैलेंस बना लो
Yeah.
कि अगर आपका जॉब नहीं रहे तो आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़े अगर आपको 1 साल में भी आपके स्टार्टअप से कुछ पैसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो.
But उसके लिए you need to, I think, make sure कि यार your startup idea is good enough. Is it working or not? Because for people who are just building their startups, उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि यार is it working or not. Market validation किया होगा, you must have asked their friends, वो लोग बोलेंगे हाँ अच्छा चीज़ है. We don't know whether it is valid, is it actually working, is it profitable or not. तो उस phase में लोग, I think, they get into that dilemma कि यार is it working, not working, how to make it work.
See, startup is so unpredictable
Yeah.
that even if it is working for you today, maybe you're earning 1 lakh a month, the next year you may not earn anything. Right, so you cannot predict anything that okay fine, now my startup is giving me good source of income, so I can just leave my job.
Yeah.
But no, this happened with me. When I left my job, I was earning very good with my startup. But only one client I had who was a paying client.
Hmm.
After a year, something happened. We had some clash, and he left.
Oh.
And then I was like, okay, now this is real struggle. For the 1 year, I was enjoying my life. Thank God I took this decision. Wow, I'm roaming around. मैं खूब travel कर रही हूँ. मैं अपने startup का पैसा मैंने ऐसे उड़ाया है ना. Travel करके luxury life जीने में, I can't tell you, because I was so good. We were closing at least 1 crore a year.
Oh my God. Wow.
And then next year, it was all a downfall. We did layoffs, and a lot of things happened in my organization. So I've seen the graph like going like this, and then this also. And now we are very stagnant.
Stabilizing, how did you stabilize? Because ये होता है when you start getting money. अभी जैसे a couple of years back I started working for the first time in my life. तो वो होता है ना, I have my own money, जैसे अंदर से
Yeah.
वो होता है luxurious life जीना है. How did you manage your money at that point of time when you said that you were also trying to live the luxurious founder life?
Yeah.
Do you think founders का life is that glamorous behind the curtains जो सामने लोगों को दिखता है?
If you hear Anupam Mittal ka recent interview, he said he doesn't even remember when was the last time he has taken a vacation. So it is that hard. Look at his level where he is right now. He can take vacations. Even Namita Thapar, wherever she goes, she's creating content on her new brand, Earth.
Yeah.
Right? Wherever she goes. It's a different duty which she is doing, right? It might look glamorous on camera, but she is giving her time on vacation to her venture. So this
Right.
is how founder's life is. It's not glamorous at all. But the best part is that we love this life.
Yeah.
It is my personal choice to give my personal time to my startup wherever I go. Right? I'm enjoying this breakfast today while having this conversation. It's not a thing that मैं क्यों breakfast के साथ में ये सब बातें कर रही हूँ. No, I'm loving it. Right? So vacations पे भी तो founders का यही है कि glamorous life है, उतनी नहीं जितनी आपको दिखती है. There is a struggle, there is a pain, but for founders it is good because they enjoy it.
Now coming to your startup, iLearnings, what is it exactly about? Please.
Yeah, iLearnings is just an edtech organization, education technology, where we provide trainings on multiple courses like Salesforce, Java, Python, data science, agentic AI. Whatever comes new in the market, we adopt it and we teach people.
And
We started with B2C,
Yeah.
where we were individually teaching people and providing them training online. But now we have evolved into totally B2B models,
Corporate.
where yes, corporate trainings also is there, but we have evolved completely into B2B model,
Okay.
where we are introducing joint courses with the colleges.
Okay.